we make the mind-body connection. That's what we do on this show. And so the body connection is really, really probably the foundation of your consciousness. And you can't get to your higher mind, you can't get to your higher self if your body's out of whack. So talk a little bit about that and mobility, because I think that's really, you're amazing with that.
Thank you. You know, I really dove more into mobility. I saw people were gravitating toward it more in general, but also it's your foundation. It's our foundational standpoint from where we build everything on top of. Because if we don't have mobility in our body and we're just trying to strength train or do anything else, we could be having breakdown because we're not actually open in our body the way that we should be. And we're just trying to build on top of something that doesn't have a solid foundation. And it's the same way as, you know, when we're babies and we move through our developmental stages at 5 months, it's literally one of the stages to be able to bring your toes into your mouth before we start crawling and doing more advanced patterns within our body.